Good morning, students. I am R. K. Yadav. Today we will study about rational numbers between two rational numbers. Chapter first, number system, mathematics of class 9. So we have a statement that a rational number between two rational number a and b is a plus b by 2. Now we will take an example question first. Write three rational number between 1 and 2. There are so many methods to solve this question. When you apply this formula, then its solution will be number 1 and number 2. Here we will write three rational number. Then first rational number will be in the condition a plus b by 2. It means 1 plus 2 by 2. 1 plus 2 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. This is the one rational number between 1 and 2 is 3 by 2. Write other rational numbers between these two numbers here. Here a equal to this and b equal to 3 by 2. So in between these two numbers, another rational number will be 1 plus 3 by 2 whole upon 2. It becomes 2 1 are 2 and 3 5, 5 by 2 and 2 5 by 4. And similarly between these two numbers we write another number. So this number becomes a plus b by 2. It means 3 by 2 plus 2 whole upon 2. This becomes 2 is 4, 3 7, 7 by 2 and 2 also 4. So the number 1 and then 5 by 4 and then 3 by 2 and then 7 by 4 and then 2. These are the three numbers between 1 and 2. So required number equal to 5 by 4, 3 by 2 and 7 by 4. This is answer. This is first method. And second method is our aim to write three rational number between 1 and 2. So our aim to write three rational number. Then we multiply and divide by 3 plus 1, that is 4 in the numerator and denominator. This is 4 by 4. 1 is written as this type. And again 4 by 4 and 2 by 1. We write three rational number between these two numbers. So we multiply by 3 plus 1, that is 4. Multiply and divide. It becomes 4 upon 4 and 4 to the 8 upon 4. So required number equal to between 4 and 8, 5, then 5 by 4, then 6 by 4 and 7 by 4. So these are the three numbers between 1 and 2. We write in this order after 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. This is the answer. And the third method is, our aim to write three rational number between 1 and 2. So we can write 1 as 1.0, 2 as 2.0. So we can write there are lot of number between these two numbers, like 1.1 here, then 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.6, 7, 8 up to 1.9, then it becomes 2. So there are 9 numbers. Our aim to write 3 numbers, so we will write 3 number from starting. The required number equal to 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. All these 3 methods are give the different answers, but the answer is right. First method is becomes complicated if you find more number. When you find 7 number between 1 and 2, then there are 3 number, you write fourth number here between 1 and 5 by 4, fifth number between these two numbers, sixth number between these two number, and 7 number between these 3 number, and again repeat this process. So it becomes so long. This method is easy and also this method is easy. So we can use any one of these 3 methods. Now let us take next question. Our next question number 2. Write 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Then we use first and second and third method. Suppose one method is, here our denominator are same, so our aim to write 5 rational number. Then we multiply numerator and denominator by 5 plus 1, that is 6. Here is 5, so we multiply and divide by 6 in these numbers. So here 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So we multiply by 6 because we want to 5 rational numbers. So it becomes 6 by 6, and this 6 by 6, 6 3 is 18 by 30, and 6 4 is 24 by 30. So required number equal to 18 to 24. After 18, 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. These are the required number. And you can solve this question by other method. Second method, you can we have 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So 3 by 5 we divide this number 3 by 5, it becomes 0.56 is 30, and this becomes 0.58 is 40. So now you can take 0 1 0 here, there will be no change in their value. So now you can write, you accept decimal and decimal here. This is 60 and this is 80. So numbers between 60 and 80 is 61, 62, 63 and so on. So you will write first number 0.61, second 0.62, 0.63, 0.64, 0.65, ... so many numbers. Our aim to write 5 rational number. So 1 2 3 4 5, this is the required answer. You can solve like this or like this. So now if the denominators are not same, take another example. Question number 3, write 7 rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Denominators are not same. So first of all, we same its denominator. Here are number 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. We will same its denominator. 5 2 ja 10 and 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15 and 3 5 ja 15, because 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So we can write like this, or by using another method you can same the denominators of this rational number. Now we will see, you can multiply and divide by, here is 7 rational number, you can multiply and divide by 8 also, or you can multiply and divide by 10 also, but you can solve like this. When suppose there are 10, after 10 11 by 15, between these two numbers only one rational number. When we multiply by 2, then it becomes a numerator 20 and 12 2 ja 24, and the difference 20 and 24, between these two numbers there will be 21 22 23, that is 3 numbers. You will get 3 numbers. Our aim to find 7 rational numbers, so check by 3, then 10 3 ja 30 and minus difference 12 3 ja 36, it will be 5 number, and again by 4, 10 4 ja 40 and difference by 12 4 ja 48 and 40, that is 7 numbers. Our aim to find 7 numbers. So we can multiply and divide by 4. So multiply and divide by 4, you will get 40 and 60, and this is 48 and 60. So now you can write the number, required number equal to 41 by 40 and 48. After 40, 41 42 43 46 45 47, then 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60, and 46 by 60, 47 by 60. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is the answer. And you can solve this question by another method. Second method, alternate method, you can write 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. When we divide 2 by 3, we will get 0.666666 and so on. And when we divide this number, we will get 0.58 is 40, and take 1 0 here. Then except 0, this is 66 and this is 80. So there are so many numbers between 66 and 80. So you can write required number 60, 0.67, 0.68, 0.69, 0.70, 0.71, 0.72, 0.73, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are the answers. Now we will find we will solve some more questions. Take next question. Now let's start. Question 4. Find two rational number and two irrational number between 2/3 and 9/11. Solution. Now we can write 2/3 and this is and 9/11. After division it becomes 0.66 and this series, and 9/11 this becomes 0.81 and so on. We will take 2 digit after decimal and here 2 digit. Here you can take 3 digit as necessity. 2/3 is mostly you divide 0.6666 means 6 bar, and 9/11 means 0.8181 means 0.81 bar. So this is you can write or not write, this is doesn't matter, but our aim is here to write in this form. Now write two rational number required two rational number between these two numbers is after replacing 0, this is 66 and this is 81. So after 66 you have 67, 68, 69 and so many numbers. So you will write your aim to write two rational number. So you will write 0.67 and 0.68. So this is two rational number, and required two irrational number, required two irrational number, irrational numbers. You can write like this: 0.67, 01, 001, 0001, 401 and so on. And second number, this is first number and second number is 0. Using this number you can write this, or you will using in this way you can write 0.67, 02, 002, 0002, 402, or again 0.67, 03, 003, 0003, 403 and so on. There will be so many numbers. Or you can write 0.68, 01, 001, 0001, 401. You can write so many irrational numbers and so many rational numbers. Now next question number 5. Find two rational and two irrational number between √2 and √3. We will solve this √2 and √3. √2, the value of √2 is 1.414 and √3 is 1.732. So required rational number equal to, you take one digit 1.414 1.4 and 1.7. Then after 1.4, 1.5 and 1.6. These are the rational numbers. You can write so many rational numbers, like you can write 1.42, 1.43, 1.44, 1.47 and so many. But here the question is write two rational numbers, so this is the sufficient. And question now required irrational number. Irrational number here is 1.5 and 1.6 are rational numbers, so you can take these numbers to write the irrational number, or using here you can also write the numbers, irrational numbers. Now we will write 1.5, 01, 001, 0001, 401, ... You may write next number 1.502, 002, 0002, 402 and so on. Yeah, 1.503, 003, 0003 and so on. But here we write using this number 1.6, 01, 001, 0001, 401, ... up to infinity.